Today is a momentous occasion, a celebration of perseverance, growth, and victory. Here you are, stronger, wiser, and more resilient than ever before. To our graduates, hold your heads high. This is your triumph. But know this is not the end. Rather, a new beginning. A stepping stone to greater purpose, deeper challenges, and even grander successes. Continue to move forward with the same tenacity and spirit that brought you here.
Graduates of Batch 2025, warmest congratulations on this extraordinary milestone of your life. Today, we honor your perseverance, dedication, and unwavering determination as your dreams begin to take form.
Wherever life may lead you, never forget, kaya yan, Kataytan. Congratulations, class of 2025. You made us all proud. Now go forth and turn ever greater dreams into reality. Mabuhay, mga Kataytans.
Through the halls where laughter echoed, every lesson, every friend we have.
These candidates have satisfactorily completed the requirements prescribed by the Commission on Higher Education, and I hereby petition that they be conferred the said degree.
As the President, I hereby confirm 632 candidates from Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management as graduates of Batch 2025 with all the rights and privileges thereunto appertaining. Congratulations.
Onward we go, hearts open wide, chasing the stars with hope as our guide. Though we may part, our light will remain. The love and the moments, they'll never fade.
Always remember, the journey from your dream to reality is not easy. Ang hirap ng pinagdaanan niyo. But with God at the center, nothing is impossible. Andito na kayo, napagdaanan niyo na yung hirap.
Held each other, kept us strong.
Pangarap ko po talaga mga graduate ng anak ko na kung maski may sakit po pumapasok ko, nag-OJT siya talaga yung time na yun. Maraming salamat po sa Lady Flores po na nag-graduate po itong anak ko maski wala po siya. Thank you po.
Congratulations, Batch 2025. This is not the end, but the beginning of your new journey. Di magiging madali, pero kasama natin si Lord, kaya natin.
The world awaits your greatness. May you walk your path with wisdom, grace, and unshakable faith. Again, congratulations, Batch 2025.
follow. Today, that choice has brought us here on our most awaited day, our graduation day.